In this video, I'll show you how to get a TikTok streak pet and help it grow faster. First, launch open the TikTok app and make sure you have signed into your account. Now tap on the inbox icon, then open a chat with a friend you want to start a streak with. To unlock a streak pet, both of you need to send messages to each other every day without missing a day. After you've maintained the message streak for at least 3 days, TikTok may automatically unlock the streak pet feature. Once it's available, you'll see the pet appear in your chat, where you can interact with it as your streak continues. To help your streak pet grow, keep your daily message streak active. Make sure both you and your friend send at least one message every day. The longer your streak lasts, the more your pet can grow and evolve. Keep in mind that Streak Pet feature is being rolled out gradually, so it may not be available for all accounts and regions. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.